Today we're going to take a look at simple present tense negatives. How to make a negative sentence in the simple present tense form. 今日の勉強は現在形の文章を否定にすること。First we'll look at be verb. With be verb, we can say I am happy. We can also say it, he, she is happy. She, he, it uses the same form of the be verb. You, we, they are happy. In English, depending on the subject of the sentence, the be verb changes into these forms. So, I am happy is the affirmative form of that sentence. If I want to change it to a negative after the be verb, I add not. I am not happy. She is not happy. They are not happy. With be verbs, we add a not after the be verb in the sentence to make it a negative sentence. be 動詞の場合は 文章の中の be 動詞の形の後に not をつければ否定はできる。I の場合は be 動詞が am になる。it, he, she の場合は is。you, we, they の場合は are。Looking at general verbs. With general verbs, we use a different rule to make a negative sentence. For example, I like milk. If I want to change this to a negative sentence, we want to add do not before the main verb. If I add do not before the main verb in the sentence, we get a negative sentence. I do not like milk. This is different from be verb. With be verbs, after the be verb in the sentence, we add not only. With general verbs, we add do and not. Do is a helping verb. So we add the do helping verb and not. I do not like milk. And this is the same with the other subjects of we, you, and they. With all of these subjects, we would say they do not like milk. You do not like milk. We do not like milk. And I do not like milk. With he, she, and it also changes a little bit. You have to be a little bit careful when you make a negative using he, she, or it in a general verb sentence. He, she, it likes milk. So he likes milk. And we want, since it's it, we want to add does not. And this comes before the main verb. And we must make sure to get rid of the S on likes. With he, she, and it, we add an S to the helping verb. In the affirmative form, we added the S to the main verb. But with the negative form, we add the S to the helping verb. The rule for adding S is the first verb after the subject. The first verb gets the S for he, she, or it, and the other verb goes back to the root form. It does not like milk. She does not like milk. He does not like milk. 2番目の一般動詞の場合は I like milk. で、この文章を否定にするときに動詞の前に do not をつける。do not をつければ否定はできる。で、この do の動詞は助動詞です。 I do not like milk. We do not like milk. You do not like milk. They do not like milk. B 動詞の後に not をつける。一般動詞の前に助動詞 plus not をつけると否定はできる。he, she, it の場合は三人称単数の場合は基本の動詞に s が必要。否定にするときには S が一番最初に来る。最初から一番最初の動詞につける。で、この場合は助動詞につけるんですね。So, it does not like milk. で、like はもう S なしです。で、これは it, she, and he の場合です。So, 気をつけるところは B 動詞の後、not だけ。一般動詞の前、助動詞の do plus not、それか does plus not をつけてください。Here are some practice questions you can do. With these 5 sentences, please change these sentences from affirmative to a negative sentence in the comments below, and I'll check that for you. この5つの文章を否定の形にしてください。下のコメントのところでやってください。チェックします。If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And if you like my channel, please subscribe. See you next time.